He kicks a small ball. She opens the gift box. They wave at the train. I draw a tall tree. We play in the sand. He holds his little cat. She jumps over a puddle. I eat soup with bread. I climb the stone steps. He hides behind the door. They catches the falling leaf. They pull the heavy cart. I write my name neatly. We skate on the ice. He opens the treasure chest. She lights a bright candle. They wave flags in parade. I sip hot chocolate slowly. We paint houses with colors. He ties balloons with string. She builds a snowman. They roll marbles on floor. I look through the telescope. We plant seeds in soil. He picks apples from tree. She glues paper on board. They chase butterflies in garden. I play with my puppy. We hang pictures on wall. He blows bubbles in water. He throws stones in pond. He race boats on river. I clap my hands twice. He carries a basket of fruit. She wears an orange hat. I open my umbrella quickly. We push the swing higher. He sharpens his new pencil. She smells the fresh flower. They ride horses on beach. I look at the rainbow. He bought gifts for friend. He cuts a red ribbon. She drink water from bottle. I drop coins in jar. She bought vegetables from market. They sit under the shady tree. I peel a banana for snack. She carries a tray of cups. They eat ice cream in summer.